In certain mist-covered forests, putting a car in neutral leads to a result that contradicts basic physics. Instead of rolling down the grade, the vehicle begins drifting backwards, straight up the hill. Navigation tools provide no relief. Within these exact boundaries, a standard compass needle vibrates violently and spins out of control. Local legends frequently attribute these events to secret underground military bases, mystical energy vortexes, or pockets where reality itself has glitched. These locations are actually naturally occurring traps. They exist at specific geological intersections that are perfectly aligned to blind human technology and override our biological senses. Decoding these anomalies requires looking past the landscape and examining the specific biological and technological shortcuts we use to navigate the world. The compass failure begins beneath the soil. High-resolution surveys reveal massive deposits of iron ore and crystalline pillars of volcanic basalt. As magma cooled, iron-rich minerals locked into place, acting as giant permanent magnets projecting intense electromagnetic fields radiating through the surface. A compass needle is balanced to detect the faint global magnetic pull of the North Pole. Standing directly over a basalt deposit exposes the instrument to a localized magnetic force that completely drowns out that global signal. The tool is operating correctly. It simply lacks the calibration required to filter out extreme geological noise occurring just a few feet away. This chart illustrates a magnetic anomaly map. While standard contour lines track elevation, the magnetic data shows how the navigation grid will distort and bend over the affected area. These fields are limited in scale, often covering a radius of only a few hundred feet. Once an observer exits the disruption zone, the needle snaps back to true north as the local field weakens. Historically, these pockets caused significant errors for surveyors and early explorers. Entire expeditions veered miles off course by prioritizing their instruments over the physical landmarks around them. Our reliance on technology remains absolute until we encounter these rare environments where the Earth's physical properties weaponize that trust against us. This geological interference explains the compass, but it does not account for the car rolling uphill. Gravitational pull in these zones remains standard. These gravity hills are the result of an elaborate optical illusion. The landscape is designed to crash the brain's spatial processing software. To judge a slope, the brain requires a flat horizon line. Here, the horizon is obscure because trees tilt unevenly to chase sunlight. Assuming these trees grow vertically, the brain constructs a false perceived level, overriding gravity and making a downhill grade appear uphill. Letting off the brakes allows the car to roll down the actual slope. To the observer, the vehicle appears to be moving backward and upward, defying gravity. Human evolution prioritized speed over precision. Our brains use obvious vertical lines, like tree trunks, as shortcuts to instantly build our sense of spatial reality. Both anomalies, the spinning compass and the gravity hill, work by stripping away a true baseline. By removing the North Pole and the flat horizon, the environment forces our tools and senses to rely on corrupted local data. These forests represent a unique intersection of geological interference and an optical landscape perfectly suited to manipulate human biology. The physical reality of these forests outstrips local mythology. It demonstrates that our most trusted navigation tools and senses are often our most significant vulnerabilities.